Do you ever freeze when you try to speak English? You know the words, you understand others, but when it's your turn, your mind goes blank. It happens to thousands of learners around the world. And it's not because your English is bad. It's because no one ever showed you how to learn English the right way. Today, I'll teach you that way, the natural way. A way that doesn't need grammar books, long word lists, or boring lessons. We'll go step by step together. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start speaking English confidently and naturally. But before we begin, I want to know something. Are you ready to finally speak English fluently? If your answer is yes, then type yes in the comments right now, because this could be the start of your real English journey. All right, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin with the very first step, one that can completely change the way you learn English. Step 1. Listen before you speak. If you want to speak English fluently, you must listen a lot before you try to talk. Think about how a baby learns to speak. A baby doesn't start talking on day one. For months, the baby just listens to parents, to sounds, to words. Slowly, the brain learns the rhythm, the tone, and the patterns of language naturally. That's exactly how you should learn English too. The more you listen, the faster your brain learns correct pronunciation, accent, and sentence structure without needing to memorize grammar rules. So listen to English every single day. You don't need to sit and study. Just keep your ears open. When you're walking, cooking, cleaning, or traveling, play something in English. It can be a short YouTube video, a podcast, or even an English song. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. In the beginning, your brain just needs exposure. It needs to hear the language. After a few days, you'll start understanding more and more words automatically. Here's a simple daily habit to start with. Before sleeping, play one short English video or podcast. Listen carefully. Focus on how people speak, not just what they say. If you make this a daily habit, you'll notice a big change in your understanding, and soon, speaking will become easier too. Once your ears are trained, it's time to train your mouth, and that's where the next step comes in. Shadow what you hear. Step 2. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening daily, let's take it one step further. Start shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately, almost at the same time. It's like copying the speaker's voice, rhythm, and pronunciation, just like an echo. For example, if the speaker says, "I'm going to the market," you say right after them, "I'm going to the market." Don't pause, don't translate, just copy the sound exactly as you hear it. At first, it may feel strange or difficult. You might miss some words, and that's okay. Nobody does it perfectly in the beginning. But if you keep doing it daily, your mouth will start to learn the natural movements of English sounds. You can practice shadowing with short videos, movie clips, or songs. Choose speakers you like. Their tone and energy will motivate you. Even 10 minutes a day of shadowing can completely change your speaking ability. You'll notice your pronunciation becomes clear, your rhythm becomes natural, and your confidence grows without you even trying. Soon, you'll start sounding more fluent, naturally. Before we move on, I have a small question for you. Which country are you watching this video from? Type your country in the comments below, and if you're proud of it, add a heart emoji next to it. Now, let's move to the next step, one of the most powerful habits you can build. Step 3. Speak to yourself every day. If you want to speak fluently, you can't wait for someone to talk with you. You must practice speaking with yourself every day, anywhere, anytime. It may sound funny, but this is one of the fastest and most powerful ways to improve your English. When you talk to yourself, there's no fear of mistakes, no pressure, and no judgment. You can just talk freely and make your brain comfortable with English words. Here's how to do it. When you wake up, describe what you're doing in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for work. I'm making breakfast. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just speak. In the evening, talk about your day. Today was busy. I met my friend. I watched an interesting movie. Over time, your brain will start thinking in English automatically. At first, you'll speak slowly. That's okay. Later, you'll speak faster and more confidently without translating in your head. Record yourself for 1 minute a day. When you listen later, you'll hear how much you've improved. Once you start feeling confident talking to yourself, it's time to make English a part of your daily life. Step 4. Create a simple daily English routine. You don't need to study for long hours. Fluency comes from doing small things consistently. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. In the morning, listen to a short English video or podcast while getting ready. During the day, read something short in English, maybe a quote, a post, or a few lines from a story. Read it aloud if possible. In the evening, talk to yourself for a few minutes about your day. Before sleep, write 1 or 2 sentences in English about your day. These small actions help your listening, speaking, and thinking skills grow together. When English becomes a part of your daily life, it stops feeling like a subject and starts feeling like a habit. Step 5. Stay confident and positive. Many learners understand English, but don't speak because they feel shy or afraid of mistakes. But here's the truth. Even native speakers make mistakes. Confidence doesn't mean perfect English. Confidence means speaking even when your English isn't perfect yet. So don't wait to be ready. Start speaking now with whatever English you know. Instead of thinking, "Oh no, my grammar is wrong," think, "It's okay. I'm learning and improving every day." Every time you speak, you become 1% better. That's how real progress happens, step by step. Each morning, say this to yourself: "I can speak English. I'm improving every day. My English is getting better." These small affirmations keep your mind confident and motivated. Step 6. Make English a part of your life. Don't treat English like a school subject. Treat it like a friend. Change your phone language to English. Watch movies or YouTube videos in English. Listen to songs and try to understand the lyrics. Read short quotes or posts in English every morning. Think in English when planning your day. The more English you live, the more fluent you become. Remember, fluency isn't about learning more. It's about using what you already know until it feels natural. When English becomes a normal part of your day, you'll suddenly realize, wow, I can actually speak English easily now. So which step will you start with today? Listening, shadowing, self-talk? Write your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson that helps you speak English naturally and confidently. This is your journey, your confident English journey. Keep going, one small step every day. That's how fluency is built.